and they are supposed to further collect it from the people who have invested in these properties. Once they collect it, they will deposit it. They have cleared substantial dues which were pending, but they are in the process of clearing those dues. And further, we have given them time of almost 1 year to clear these dues in 4 quarterly installments. They have been asked to give bank guarantee to the extent of 25% of the balance external development charges. And based on that bank guarantee, they will clear it on a quarterly basis. We hope to recover whole of the external development amount from them within a course of 1 year from now.
Sir, if the builder says that we have not yet received any revised notices or something, do you have any take for the home buyer, like home buyers? What can they do? The builder says that we have not received any revised notification.
No, the revised notification is in public domain. It has been duly conveyed to them. The final charges having been fixed has been duly conveyed to them. And anyone wants to have a detailed calculation of that, those are available with the Haryana Urban Development Authority. Any person who wants to have that information, we can get the complete details of the external development charges.
Sir, one more thing. In case, as you are aware, all the builders or all the colonizers up there have been doing the same kind, following the same kind of malpractices. Isn't there anything the state government can do in this regard, the government officials? Because every time we have been advised that this is an agreement between you and the builder, you take the builder to the court or do something about it. But in case everyone is doing the malpractice, doesn't it become a common kind of body? Shouldn't there be a common body to address this up?
This is not common complaint as such. The Haryana Development Regulation of Urban Area that came into being in 75, and we have been issuing the licenses since the year 1961 on. Many of the licensees have completed the colony successfully and handed it over. Now saying that every licensee is having some kind of dispute with the plot owner or the flat owner, that is not the case. We have more than 15,000 acres of land for which the licenses are issued. And the dispute may be there with respect to 2 or 3,000 acres.
So my concern have primarily been for the colonies coming up in the greater Faridabad area. As you would be aware, all of them, all the investors who had invested up there have been suffering. Everywhere there has been delay, everywhere there has been outrage and all these common problems. So we were hoping that state government would take care of this.
कभी आ जाओ हमारे
We don't want that the consumers will go through any kind of difficulty on account of the agreement, which of course we are not the party. They have made their own independent choice of buying property of X investor, X licensee or the Y licensee. So agreement is subsisting between the licensee and the individual person. This issue was debated by the civil court, by the high court and by the Honorable Apex Court. And the Apex Court has, the Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court has specifically debarred us from interfering into an agreement between the person who has bought the property and person who has sold the property. We have the overarching goal in that. We are supposed to ensure that the external development works are completed. But what is the agreement between the allottee and the licensee? That is their internal arrangement. And we, as government authorities, have very limited role to play in those agreements.
Observed that builder charge over and above we have sent some calculation also. TC Gupta have made sent an audit team also for this purpose. He has taken 15 samples for them. So in order to audit the EDC, original EDC charged by the licensee from the company, nothing has come out. We have been representing our case for last 4 months. We have met several meetings for and it has been observed. There should be certain criteria that X amount of EDC or IDC charged by the licensee is in order of the EDC or IDC levied by the government. So they have been overcharged. Means they have been looting. This is what is our observation in the name of Government of India or Government of Haryana. you have to say something, or you can fix up some another audit team.
EC doesn't look in the name of government.
Yes.
We have not given them any license to loot the final consumer. We have given the specific calculations for the external development charges that were quoted to them at the time of grant application, with a specific condition that the EDC for Faridabad is under revision, and once revised, they are duty bound to pay. And once those calculations are transparent calculations, anyone can access those calculations. And should the allottee feel that they have been charged in excess of that, then they should make a specific complaint after making the calculation. Our calculations for the original EDC, our calculations for the final EDC are absolute. And they can always make the reverse calculation at how much it works out. If X was the amount at the point of grant of the license and Y was the amount charged to them, if X has been raised to X1, then how much Y should be raised to Y1? That's a simple calculation.
So we have sent certain calculations from our side looking into the LOI's amount of EDC which has been levied by the government of Haryana to them. But
They are
those
certainly not entitled to charge EDCs beyond what has been finalized.
So, but they are doing.
Can there be some certain calculations or findings that could ascertain that they are not charging in the name of the government beyond the EDC?
Per square meter or per square acre, the EDC charges can be calculated. You further find it out that out of 1 acre of land, only 55% can be sold. That 55% has to be then updated. Whatever if X was the amount, then X divided by 0.55 is the amount to be charged from the lottery. That amount you then calculate what amount it comes to per square meter. And if it is charging more than per square meter beyond that amount, you can also
Sir,
calculate
the
on the name
concern
of
has primarily been that the reduced for an audit of the EDC, because many of the consumers felt what we have been charging is not in line with what government has been charging. We requested for a audit to be done on various projects. There was a team which came in to us and we also sent in our representation from builders, representation from builders, and this team comes and we have to do this audit. But we have never shared any results in those audits. We repeatedly visiting them and trying to gather the results for them.
I am not licensed to get the results of that audit, but we have no hesitation in sharing the results of the audit with anyone who wants to have the access. I will officially share it with you. Any person who wants to have the access to that kind of audit. It is a public document, even otherwise under the RTI one can obtain that document. But we don't want to hide anything. Without even RTI application period,
We have made study that 51% of the application we have already used with us. On the contrary, when we made a presentation, though he is not executing or designing any kind of document, we have had it has been observed. He says, I have been using 40
नहीं अब काम के लिए हो गया.
only in words. Only in words.
No.
We have made representations.
Hold on for
made
a
some
moment.
calculations.
Hold on for a moment. His saying of 42% or 50% or 48% doesn't carry any weight. Because at the time of sanction of the business plan, at the time of sanction of the payout plan, that percentage is defined. That percentage was fixed at the right at the time of granting the license. He cannot now go back and work out some new calculations. We can check out what was the calculation at that point of time.
Sir, what is happening is
It cannot be arbitrarily reduced to 42%.
Okay. One last question.
But if it has been sanctioned with 42%, because 55 is the maximum.
One last question. If made an audit, official audit, for 15 sensors he has taken so it will publicize what is the outcome of this 15.
गाड़ी हट गई वो अभी भी खड़ी है.
We have no hesitation.
One last thing to share, anything that this particular forum where we have a lot of officials as